Hi, as a blogger or an author or a videographer, one of the things that we all cannot do without is stock photography. And there are several options for this. Currently, this is Shutterstock. There is Pixabay. There is Getty Images. There is Pexels. There's Unsplash. All right, and all of these are great, but they have one common con, and that is the fact that they are crazy expensive. In this video, I'm going to show you one new super deal I just discovered. This will totally blow you away, and this will save you tons and tons of cash being invested in stock images. Stick to the end of this video and I will show you what I have for you. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Obunaya Cheche and I create videos to share information with you that will help you to grow your business online, help you make more sales and do your marketing. Now, I received an email from AppSumo informing me that there was a current lifetime deal on one of their products. This is DepositPhotos. Alright, now I checked currently, and with Shutterstock you get to pay about $29 or so to download 10 images for 1 month. All right, and I feel this is just so crazy, but I discovered when I checked this out, AppSumo and DepositPhotos is offering you savings totaling about $461, and I'll show you why. Now, what if I showed you and told you that DepositPhotos currently has 3 packages? Yeah, they have 3 amazing packages, but wait, before that, now you're going to get access to 195 million stunning images, all right, that will help you bring your new creation to life. It could be your ebook, it could be your blog, it could be your website, it could be your social media, and of course your emails. Now, this library is just so massive, and not just that. Now, on DepositPhotos, you can search for whatever you want to do, all right, and you could also do a reverse image search. That's right. Now, when you look at this image right here on my screen, you can see that you could upload an image. Right here you upload an image and it could do that for you. That's called reverse image search. Okay, so now these are some of the amazing images that you'll find on DepositPhotos. And not just that, now let's talk about the deal that you're getting today. Now, this is a lifetime deal. That's right, you're not paying $39 to download 10 images in a month. You're not paying $100 to download 20 images in 1 month. You're paying $39 to download a ton of images, and this will last you for a lifetime. That's right. Here are the plans, and this is what you get. Okay, right here you can see the deal terms and the conditions. Okay, you can see that this is only for images. You can see that the credits they don't replenish and they never expire. Okay, and more than that, all of this comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. That's right. So you get to try it out for 2 months to make sure if it's right for you. Now, there are 3 plans available. There is a single one-time purchase of $39. Now you can see that you're saving over $500. All of this gets you all the features above included. You get 100 one-time photo vector downloads. You get 195 million plus images to choose from. You're getting all of these images being royalty free. That's right. Now, these images may be used for commercial purposes, both online and in print, and of course they can be downloaded at any time. Now, the second package is a double, where you get to pay about $78. You're getting twice what you got from this first package. So you're getting 200 one-time photo and vector downloads. Now, the third package, you're getting 300 one-time photo and vector downloads, and you're going to pay $117. Now, don't buy this yet, because I have a special bonus pack for everyone who gets this DepositPhotos through my link. Now, this is my special bonus pack, and this is why you should get deposit photos from I and I alone, because I have a special deal for you today. Here's what you get when you purchase deposit photos from me. You're going to get a crypto economy ebook. You're going to get my crypto economy video course. You're going to get a digital planner. This works for both iPad and Android. You're going to get my year planner. You're going to get my daily planner. You're going to get my Find Your Niche ebook. You're going to get my Find Your Niche video course. And of course, not forgetting that all of this comes with a 60 days money back. How do you get these bonuses? Now, I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comments section that says get deposit photos. When you click on that link, it will take you to a page where you enter your information, and then you purchase deposit photos. And when you do that, I want you to come back. I'm going to leave my email right here on the screen for you. All right, so this is my this is the email associated with my blog. So I'm going to leave that for you. Simply take a screenshot of your purchase or proof of your purchase and send that to me via email. When you do that, I'm going to send you a link to access all these bonuses for free at no extra cost. One more thing you should know is this deal is expiring real soon. I don't know if it's going to be here for the next 72 hours, but you want to get on this right now and make a ton of savings on this lifetime deal. That's right, guys. So head over to the pinned comment section, click on the link that says get deposit photos now. When you do, don't forget to send me a proof of your payment and your purchase, and I will give you my awesome bonuses for free. That's it. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.